That annoying suspension clunk in your Yukon Denali is driving you crazy. You have a ghost problem with no error codes on the dash. The fix is replacing the mechanical front strut top mounts or the sway bar end links. These physical parts wear out and cause heavy clunking, while the magnetic ride electronic shocks still function perfectly. Your Denali uses magnetic ride control to adjust shock stiffness in real time. The computer only monitors the electronic fluid inside the shock. It cannot detect a torn rubber top mount or a loose ball joint on the sway bar link. This is exactly why your dash remains clear of warnings while your front end sounds like it is falling apart over speed bumps. To find the exact problem, lift the front of your truck, grab the sway bar end link, try to twist it or shake it hard. If you feel any movement, replace those links. Next, check the strut mounts. Look at the top of the shock tower inside the wheel well. See if the rubber is cracked or crushed. Replacing the end links is a simple driveway job requiring basic hand tools. Swapping the strut top mounts requires removing the entire magnetic shock assembly and using a spring compressor. If you tackle the mounts, be extremely careful not to damage the electronic wire attached to the top of the magnetic shock. Once the new mechanical parts are installed, that metallic clunk will disappear completely. Your magnetic ride system will go back to providing that smooth luxury ride. You just saved yourself a massive diagnostic fee at the dealership.